pet you all at once. Oh, look at your face. Can you see your lip? Oh, gee, that looks a little bit sore. Looks a little bit sore. Hi, how are you? Oh, you're so beautiful. Your mommy got adopted today. Yes, she did. Let me see. Leave your eye. Yeah, that looks better today. Hi. Oh, Marby. Hi, Marby. Oh, Marby, you're so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a little Marby. Oh, little Pea, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Lots of purring. Lots of purring. Oh, you're so pretty. So pretty. Hi. Oh, Mr. Anders. Oh, adorable. Oh my God. You're so adorable. Oh, get him in the belly. Do you want to get him in the belly? Oh, that's nice. Oh, give him a bath. Oh, Mr. Gaius. Oh, Mr. Gaius. Oh, Shackles. The big girl litter box is right over there. Oh, sister's so silly. She's so silly. Hi, little Pea. Oh, Mr. Gaius. Oh, I have your revolution. I should revolution everybody tonight. No, Mr. Gaius. Oh, Mr. Gaius. Look at me, Starbuck. Oh, this is a little treasure right here. Little treasure. Look at that. Oh, look at that little treasure with her white tail tip. Oh, she's so cute. Look. Upside down. Hover, Starbuck. Oh, what? Look. Oh, she's so sleepy. Miss TK. Oh, look at this exceptional creature. Oh, I Miss P. So, still no applications for Starbucks. How is that possible? Look at this little treasure. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's so sleepy. Oh, she's just so sleepy. I have a Marby and an Anders on my lap right now. Marby just chased Anders away with a series of tail bites. Oh, little Starbuck, you're so cute. You're so cute. Your auntie wishes that she was getting some more attention right now. You can pet Auntie TK and give Starbuck an upside down hover kitten at the same time. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, look at her. Oh. Still smokes. Let's look at your ears. Oh, so cute. Oh, Mr. Gaius. Oh, Mr. Gaius, it's so embarrassing. Mr. Gaius. Oh, so cute. There's your sister. Get her. There she is. Hi. Marby and little P. Get him. What are you thinking about giving your sister? What's that on your face? Are you dirty? Are you dirty? Here's Marby. Let's look at your ears. We're doing an ear check. They all look good. Oh. You're not as good at upside down hover kitten. You're not as good. No, you're not as good. We should do a field trip. Should we do a field trip with you? You're pretty adorable. You're pretty cute. These guys have gotten tall. They've had a growth spurt. They have had a growth spurt. Oh, they're good. You're so cute. There's your sister, your auntie. Auntie Starbuck. You're snuggle with your uncle. Oh, Miss Starbuck, you're so adorable. You're just so cute. Oh my goodness, the little face. That little face. Oh, such a cute little face. Such a cute little face. Oh my goodness. Oh. What a glorious creature. Oh, she's so sweet. Little Miss Starbuck. Show everybody your belly. Maybe someone will want to take you home if you show them how cute your belly and your little white tipped tail. She has a little white tip on her tail. So adorable. So adorable. Oh my goodness. All right. Who wants to go on a field trip? I know you want to go. Who's trying to climb me? Who's back here, Mr. Gaius? This feels like a Gaius and a marble rye. What a good auntie. What a good little auntie. You're so cute. Oh, so cute. Hi, Mr. Gaius. Hey, can I look at your lip? Everything looks good, but just want to see how your lip is, because I think I can't tell if the stitches came out of it. Are you gonna let me take a picture for Dr. F. Oh, I know. Oh, I know. I know. Oh, what a good girl. Oh, this could be challenging. Oh, you're such a good girl. I know. Mr. Gaius is helping. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Let's see. All right. Should we? Oh, Miss Chef in her scale throne. Pretty adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay. She's so regal. So regal in your scale. Oh my goodness, that is full of milk. Should I? That is a full one. Wowza. Yeah. Do you want to help getting rid of that milk? Alright. Maybe tomorrow. Go faster. Oh, hi, Miss TK. Oh, what a little love buggles. She's so cute. She's just so cute. Alright, I will send that picture to Dr. Ferguson. What adorable little creatures. Excuse me. Oh, there you are. Hi, Ruby. Did you eat the puffball? Did you eat some of the puffball? You know I'm gonna have to take it away if you do that. You know I'm gonna have to take it away if you're eating puffball. Dr. Ferguson will make me take it away if you eat it. Yeah, what are you gonna do? Oh, it's a little Marby. Look at that little Marby. Oh, she's so cute. It's that adorable little Marby. Hi, little pea. Little pea and little lamb. You're so cute. Cute. Look at the little pea using the scratcher appropriately. You're so pretty. Oh, all right. All right. Alright, oh, who should I take with me? Well, I'll come back in just a